Hi, my name's Jackie and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little matchbook albums. They fold open and accordion out, and you can fill them with pictures and journaling. Very quick and easy to make, so let's get started. First of all, you're going to need one piece of solid cardstock that coordinates with a double-sided printed piece, a pattern, a paper trimmer, a scoring device, ruler and a pencil is optional, a paper piercer and a foam mat, and an adhesive of your choice. I choose 3-in-1 Beacon's craft glue. It's quick drying, I like to use it. So the first thing you're going to do is take your pattern piece. It's 12. I'm using 12 by 12. You can use any scrap for the pattern as long as you have a 4 by 12 piece. So you cut that to 4 1/4 by 12. So you need a 4 1/4 piece of pattern double-sided paper. That excess you will not use, so set that aside. You take your solid cardstock, and this one you'll cut 4 by 12. You do that 2 times, and you'll end up with 3 4 by 12 pieces. So once again, 3 4 by 12 pieces and 1 double-sided printed paper that is 4 1/4 by 12. Now we're going to score. Take your your printed piece, which you're going to use for your cover, and score it at 1 inch, 6 1/2 inches, and 7 inches. Set that aside. Take the first of your 3 pieces of your solid cardstock and score it at 5 1/2, and 9 3/4. There's no mark on the Score Pal scoring board for 9 3/4, so scoot it over 1/4 inch to the left and score at 9 1/2, which is essentially 9 3/4 because we're backing it up 1/4 inch. Take your paper trimmer, and at that mark that you just cut at 9 3/4, cut that little piece off. Set that aside, you will not use it. Go back to your scoring board with the rest of your solid cardstock. Take that second piece and score it at 4 1/4 and 8 1/2. Now take the next one and do the same. 4 1/4 and 8 1/2. Okay. Take your cover and fold it on the scored lines that you made. Take your paper piercer, and of these 3 you have 1 short piece now. Take the short one. Using the longest scored section here, you're going to tuck that under the little 1 inch flap here. This is going to be the bottom of your book. You're going to center it underneath, open it onto your paper piercing mat. You're going to measure in about 1 inch. This is the part where you could use your ruler and a pencil, but I'm going to do this pretty quick here. You measure in 1 inch, go down a little bit below half, put a hole, and then on the same side, on the left side, do the same. About 1 inch in, a little bit below half mark, another hole. Take your brads, push them through, one on both sides. Flip it over. Open up your little brad. Make sure it's centered there. Now, take your second piece. You have this square here, and on here, find the square that matches. It's the same exact size, okay? Put glue all around the outside. You can use adhesive, whatever works for you, whatever you like the best. A glue runner is really fast and easy. Just make sure you get it to the edge and that it's a nice, strong bond. I like Beacon's glue. It's fast drying and it holds really well. So glue that down. Now take your third piece. This time you have a small square down here. You're going to take the bigger of the two squares. You got a big one here and a smaller one here. You're going to use the bigger one and place it over this small square. So this will not match. Once again, put glue around the outer edges. Put a little bit in the middle. Butt that up right to the scored line. Glue that on there, and now we're ready to fold. So this is what you have, a nice long piece. You're going to start by folding over and under, right on the score line. Over, under, over, and this will tuck right under this little lip here, just like a matchbook. And there you have it. Isn't that cute and easy? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.